Welcome to Royal Cinemas, at the box office, comparing similar fractions, day 1. Take a moment on a piece of paper to solve the expression below in as many different ways as possible. Please hit pause to give yourself more time. If someone is around you, please share at least one of your solutions. As we watch the video, please think about what information is interesting or important.
This weekend is projected to be one of the biggest opening weekends at the box office. There are 4 new movies coming out this Friday, each of which has been highly anticipated by a different audience. Triple Glory, an action film, is the 3rd movie in an extremely popular trilogy based on a set of thriller novels. The series has quite a fan following and is expected to sell out. A Boy's Life is the fictional story of a boy growing up in the slums of India and immigrating to the United States. This gripping drama will surely attract older crowds. It Could Be Worse is the romantic comedy with the packed cast that every teenager has been waiting to see. The final movie, Planet Ice, is a documentary about climate change and its effect on the Arctic tundra. This is a topic that interests a range of audiences. You work at Royal Cinemas, and your manager has the entire team helping to prepare for the big weekend of movies. You are running the ticket counter and have been printing tickets and taking money all afternoon. Each of Royal Cinema's 4 200-seat amphitheater-style theaters will show 3 screenings of each movie tonight. So far, 3/4 of the tickets have been sold for the first showing of Triple Glory, and 2/4 of the tickets have been sold for the first showing of A Boy's Life. About 2/5 of the tickets have been sold for the first showing of It Could Be Worse, and 3/5 of the tickets have been sold for the first showing of Planet Ice. With just a couple of hours to go until the first screening of these films, you want to get an idea of which is going to be the most popular and which will be the least popular.